first thing you will need are LED light strips, and we picked these up from Amazon for about $25. The product comes with a remote to change the lighting settings with, the adapter to plug it into the wall, and a cord to connect from the strip to the adapter. This video isn't sponsored, I just wanted to show you guys this awesome DIY. So my boyfriend is helping me here, and we're just going ahead and sticking the LED lights onto the mirror around the frame. They fit perfectly around the frame. As you can see, our cats are very interested. And you can just pull the film away and stick it down all the way around the mirror. I know you're probably thinking, what do we do when we get to the corners? But with the corner, you would just bend it down and then twist it to go to the side you want, like so. And then just continue on your merry way. You won't be able to notice that the corners are like that in the end. Here's what it looks like when we're about halfway done. Jade's loving it. So far, so good. Again, when we get to a corner, just make sure you have enough room to accurately just press it down on the other side and then fold it back. And you won't notice that the corners look like this when you have the full mirror, trust me. And there you go, and then just keep on going. Yay, we finally reached the end. So now we just want to make sure at the end we want to have a clean cut, so that way there's no tape hanging off and it goes seamlessly with the rest of the frame. And boom. And just to show you where that connection is at, it's at the beginning of the tape. And you have that already, so you're good to go. Now we just turned it on and we're testing it out on the floor. It's important to note that you want the connection to the mirror to be at the top of the mirror opposed to the bottom, because the weight of the mirror might mess with it a little bit. So make sure you have it at the top, and then when you're ready to put the mirror against the wall, just hide it behind the mirror. So now we're just plugging it in to outlet right behind the mirror, and boom, it's on. It looks great. The cord is hidden. We are here, we made it. And here I am in my weekday casual showing you what happened and how it looks. And as you can see, you can't tell the corners were like that at all. And now I'm just testing out the remote that came with the mirror, and I'm able to change the different lighting settings. I'm able to dim it or make it brighter or make it cooler instead of warm. Find which setting you like best. We personally have our mirror connected to a switch, so that way we could just turn the switch on and the mirror comes on, and you know, when you want to look at your outfit or check yourself out, you can just go ahead and flip that switch on and you're ready to go. So highly recommend that as well. So yeah, this was such a quick DIY, like 10 minutes maybe took us to do it. So I highly recommend getting some LED strips and making your mirror something special. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in my next DIY, or if you see anything around my apartment tour you still want to get a closer look at, let me know. Thanks again. Bye.